Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Merly On Time Watch Reviews. I'm Chris. I unbox and review budget watches like this. This is the latest watch that I unboxed by Van Banner. This is the new Adroit GMT watch. This is absolutely fantastic, and oh yeah, go check out my latest video on the unboxing of this. And I'm very excited to be highlighting another micro brand for you today. You know, a while back I had a comment on one of my videos that I was highlighting a Aliexpress watch of some sort. And John, my pal over at the Canadian Watch Monkey, go check out his channel. He made a comment that Aliexpress were destroying micro brand watches. And you know, it is really easy to go over to Aliexpress and pick up a spec monster watch. But I would honestly rather spend a little bit more money and buy a micro brand like this Van Banner, and definitely like this from Farr and Swit. Farr and Swit is, they have absolutely awesome watches, and they're very unique in their design. In fact, I think of all the micro brands, as far as the uniqueness in design, Farr and Swit wins it. And the watch came with this really cool wet bag, I guess you could call it. Maybe that's what they call it. Adam, forgive me. I purchased this watch. Really, this is one of the coolest watches that I own, and it's a chronograph watch. It's absolutely amazing. So I'm not going to ramble on. This is Farr and Swit. This is their solar chronograph. This is absolutely fantastic, and I would definitely highly recommend Farr and Swit to you. In fact, I have an affiliate link for Farr and Swit below because I absolutely love them. They're out of Illinois, and fantastic watches. So let's get into this one. This is the solar chronograph by Farr and Swit. Wonderful micro brand. Let's go. Okay guys, let me share with you first impressions of this watch. This is a home run. I mean, I love the dial, the uniqueness, and the design, right? The tire tread on the dial there, the use of vibrant colors, the green, the black, the red, white. Boy, and look at the case finishing, really satiny smooth on the case side profile, nice polished bezel. It came with 2 straps, both NATO style straps. This strap, perfect color choice for it with the red, the gray, the black. I mean, got a Mecaquartz movement in it. I'm not exactly sure which one is in it, but I'll do that in the full review. The loom on this thing is incredible. The case back, which you saw, has a steering wheel on it, along with the racing motif. Very, very cool. And another little thing that I noticed is when I opened the watch, the time and the date were set, meaning that I know for sure that someone over at Farr and Swit had hands-on with this watch, just double checking it to make sure that it was good to go. So yeah, I am very, very impressed. I think this is one of the coolest watches that I now own. Super excited to be able to get this one. I will leave an affiliate link for this watch in the description below. If you are interested in getting it, you can get 10% off with my affiliate link. It is an absolutely fantastic watch, and really look forward to giving you the full review in about a week's time, give or take, however many days it gets me to get there. So guys, thanks for checking out another video. Thanks Farr and Swit for another home run of a watch. I mean, what a beauty. And remember, whenever you leave your house, you have to have a great looking piece to wear in your wrist like this. Super cool, super unique solar chronograph by Farr and Swit. And remember, wherever you're going, you need to get there on time, guys. God bless. See you in the next video.